Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Ina Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to be doing this fun, colorful makeup look. Of course, it's not every day, but it's a lot of fun. So finally I got a hold of James Charles palette in collaboration with Morphe. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the family. Let's learn, explore, and test makeup products together. Without further ado, let's get into it. Next, I'm going to get into that deep purple with my Sigma E25, and I am going to apply it in the outer corner of the eye, and I'm going to intensify it all around the crease. And the next, I'm going to dip into the black color to intensify the outer corner even more, and I'm going to use my small tapered blending brush E45 from Sigma. And the next, I'm going to cut the crease, and for that I'm going to use my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. To cut the crease, I'm going to use my Sigma Cut Crease E62 brush. Alright. And with my finger, I'm going to try to tap and make the transition a little more seamless. It looks like I touched it on the upper. So we're gonna fix this real quick. That was a quick fix. And then I'm gonna go in with this teal color in my Sigma Eye Shading E55. Then I'm gonna go into the yellow, and I'm going to apply it all over in the corner. The next, I'm going to go in with my fan brush from a Sigma E04 into this champagne color, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. For the eyeliner today, I'm going to be using NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. For the mascara today, I'm going to be using L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. For the eyelashes today, I'm going to be using these ones I got off of AliExpress. The pro side is they were only $1.67. The downside of it is I waited for them for 2 months, but in the end, it's definitely worth it. So if you want to know which one are these, I'll leave the link down below. Wow, these are huge. But at the same time, so pretty. And I'm going to prime my face with the pore minimizer from Smashbox. Just gonna put a few in here where my pores are more prominent, and I'm gonna go with this one. There we go. Now for the foundation, I'm gonna use a different head, and this one is for full coverage. What I like to do is just put a pump on the brush, make a few dots, and then just go for it. Seriously, how quick is it? Now, I would suggest to do your brows after, but there's nothing we can't fix. However, around the eye, I would not recommend using it because it will pull the skin and you might end up with a brush in your eye, poking your eye, so be careful with that. You really have to kind of get used to it before you'll feel more confident going in. So I'm not gonna advise you on this video, but we'll see in the future. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply concealer. For the concealer today, I'm gonna use the Born This Way multi-use sculpt concealer in porcelain. rest I'm gonna go in with the brush and blend everything out. And then for the powder, I'm gonna use the powder head, which looks like this. It's so soft. Obsessed with this magnetic system. Tap it in a few places, turn it on, and go for it. I wish I would be brave enough to get it closer to the eye, but I feel like I'm not ready for it, so I'm gonna just go in and add a little bit of powder where I think it needs to go to set everything in place. Alright. For the under eye, I'm going to go in with the purple, with a deep purple. I feel like I need a little more intensity, and I'm gonna go in with the Scone tattoo liner in the shade black. I'm gonna go in the waterline. And with my Sigma Flood Definer E15 brush, I'm going to go into the black eyeshadow. As you can notice, I'm just putting it really close to the waterline and then just drag it down for that smoky effect. A little bit of mascara. To contour my face today, I'm going to be using Sigma Contour and Highlight Palette. And with my Sigma F23, I'm going to dig in into Throw Shade, and I'm going to bronze and contour my face. And then I'm going to go in with my powder and blend it in. For the blush today, I'm going to be using my favorite Sigma Blush Cheek Palette. And with my Sigma F37, I'm going to go into the Corderosa. For the highlighter today, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Resi. And I'm going to apply it with my Sigma F03 brush. For the lipstick today, I'm going to be using the Melted Metallic in the shade I Wanna Rock With You. And I'm going to top it with Melted Latex from Too Faced in the shade Girl on Top. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.